2023 Me. How can I help you? Absolutely. Our strawberry program's a bit more invasive than our human program. Are you okay with that still? Alright then, let's get started. You may feel a slight pinch. Alright, so we've done the DNA extraction and we've got your test results back. It looks like... What the...
Wait, stop the motherfucking music.
7-time sea zone abused or endangered wild animals. Every single species of sea turtle is endangered, and a lot of the reasons they're endangered is because their eggs, flesh, and shells are harvested and sold in Asian countries. So imagine what happened to this one. As if killing like 100 million to 75 million sharks a year wasn't enough for most of these countries, they also have to make TikTok videos where they bury baby sharks alive for views. I think it's like a trend for those weird Asian TikToks to like abuse axolotls, but anyways, this thing has extremely sensitive skin, so putting it on salty sand probably burns the hell out of it. Coral harvesting, because coral does just not wash up onto the beach, perfectly formed, not broken down or anything. Why would you just take a hermit crab and then force it to suffocate over many hours? Like, there's no reason. Killing a mandarin fish, these guys are actually becoming threatened due to overfishing, being sold in the aquarium trade. Horseshoe crabs are also threatened, bordering on endangered. Please don't bury them alive for views. You'd think 500 million years of evolution would be enough to protect them, but apparently your chipped fingernails. Let's talk about the cutest fish in the entire ocean, the Florida pompano. Florida pompano, one of the most common fish on the East Coast. Here you can see their dorsal spines right here, and you can also see that they have anal spines. Now, these guys are bottom feeders, and they actually are schooling fish. They usually feed on zoobenthos and small clams and crustaceans, such as a lot of decapods like the sand flea. These guys are extremely fast swimmers, and they live for about 6 to 7 years at max. However, that's pretty long. Usually these guys live no more than about 2 to 3 years. They're very common. They're found all the way down south towards Brazil and all the way up north towards Massachusetts. Now, these guys are absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. They have that beautiful silver color. Here you can see their lateral line, which actually kind of allows them to detect electrosensory signals from water, and they are really streamlined and just gorgeous fish.
I just want to know whose bright idea it was to invent chemistry. It's not fun. I'm a biologist. I had no intention of chemistry. I can't do math to save my life. I thought, oh, let's do genetics. Genetics sounds fun. Tell me why I'm violently assaulted by chemistry every day in the lab. It makes my bones itch.
Ada kawan semua, kita selalu dengar pasal benda ni kan? Tapi betul ke tidak sebenarnya? Well, according to science and biology, semua ni mitos. You can hold the baby, tak ada masalah apa-apa. Mak dia takkan tinggalkan dia. Why? Sebab kucing yang dah duduk dengan manusia, kucing yang domesticated, kucing biasa lah, kucing rumah kita semua tu kan, tepi jalan ke, bau manusia tu memang dah rapat dengan orang memang dah kenal lama dah. So no problem dekat situ. Tapi memang ada kes di mana mak kucing tinggalkan anak dia. Kenapa macam tu pula? Adakah sebab kita yang pegang? Tak. Reason pertama, selalunya mak kucing akan tinggalkan anak dia kalau anak dia terlampau lemah, ada kecacatan. Contohnya, dia akan tinggalkan. Nampak macam tak berperi kemanusiaan kan? Well, sebab diorang bukan manusia. And diorang akan tinggalkan anak tu untuk pastikan anak-anak yang lain boleh survive. Number 2, kadang-kadang diorang akan tinggalkan anak kalau ibu ni tak sihat atau ibu ni terlampau muda. Number 3, diorang akan tinggalkan anak kadang-kadang kalau anak ni terlampau banyak. Ada kawan, kepada peminat cerita Finding Nemo, saya minta maaf sebab saya mungkin akan rosakkan cerita ni hari ni. Finding Nemo ni adalah sejenis clownfish, dan clownfish dia hidup berkumpulan tau. And dalam kumpulan ni hanya ada seekor betina macam ketua dia yang lain semuanya jantan. Dan dalam jantan ni pula dia ada seekor ketua jantan yang akan jadi teman pembiakan si betina ni. Tapi kan apabila betina ni mati, makanya yang jantan ketua tadi akan ubah jantina dia jadi betina. Dan salah seorang daripada jantan yang kecil-kecil ni tadi akan naik jadi jantan ketua untuk jadi teman membiak si betina ni. Maksudnya yang Marvin ni, bapak si Nemo ni, kelang kabut nak cari Nemo sebab dia nak tukar jadi betina untuk membiak bersama dengan Nemo. Oh my god, animals are weird. Ada ke semua? Kalau saya jadi cili ni, saya rasa saya fed up. Okay, cerita dia macam ni. Kita tahu cili pedas kan? Tapi kalau awak nak tahu, pedas tu tak boleh nak dirasa oleh burung. And pedas ni sebenarnya bukan rasa. Pedas ni adalah dia perasaan sakit dan panas. And yang ini digunakan sebenarnya adalah sebagai self-defense mechanism oleh cili ni supaya dia tidak dimakan oleh mamalia-mamalia. Sebab mamalia duduk dekat-dekat. Dia nak anak benih dia disebarkan jauh. Jadi siapa yang boleh makan? Burung. Tapi alih-alih manusia suka makan cili pula. Kalau saya jadi cili, mesti saya pun macam, what the Dia buatkan rasa pedas tu untuk orang tak suka dia. Last orang lagi suka makan cili sebab rasa pedas. Tapi ada kebaikan lah disebabkan manusia suka makan, manusia suka tanam, menyebabkan cili punya populasi bertambah-tambah. Menyebabkan saya, kalau saya jadi cili, saya pun conflicted. Macam, aku patut marah ke patut?
Yes, they can. It's so bad. I hate it. They technically can, but most of them are so stupid or like just unable to do it. So let's talk about male anatomy real quick. So the first thing you should know is that sperm are stupid. They don't even know where they're going. They're literally their only directive is just swim, just keep swimming, and like that's all they can do. But a good amount of them can't even do that because they're produced so quickly in the male anatomy that a lot of them don't even have tails. They can't even swim. They freak out and they're just like, ah. Another reason why we shouldn't exist is that the urethra is acidic, and so none of them can fucking survive in that. And so when they swim, if they don't get if it doesn't get cleared out completely, they just die. All of them die. All the millions that they just produce, dead. Just dead on, not even on arrival, dead before they even exited the body. Other thing is that the vagina is kind of acidic, so most of them die on impact, so they can't even get past the cervix. It's so bad.